Now, if your Dell laptop is not starting and it's stuck on the Dell logo screen, don't worry, this is a common issue. And there are a few fixes you can try before thinking the laptop is dead. So let's go step by step. Step 1. Do a hard reset. Quickest fix. First things first, do a hard reset to clear any startup glitch. Turn the laptop off. Unplug the charger. If your battery is removable, remove it. Now press and hold the power button for about 15 to 20 seconds. This drains leftover power and clears stuck boot loops. Now connect the charger back in and try powering it on again. Step 2. Remove all USB devices. If it's still stuck, disconnect everything plugged into the laptop. USB flash drives, external keyboard, mouse, USB dongles, SD card, external hard drive. Sometimes a USB device can block the boot process and freeze the laptop at the Dell logo. Now turn it on again and see if it loads normally. Step 3. Run Dell Diagnostics. Next, while turning the laptop on, start pressing F12 repeatedly. This opens the boot menu. Now select Diagnostics. Dell's built-in diagnostics will test RAM, SSD or hard drive, motherboard or hardware health. If there's a failing part, it will usually show an error code, and that helps you know exactly what's wrong. Step 4. Boot into Windows Recovery, Safe Mode. Now, if the hardware test looks fine, the issue could be Windows. To open recovery mode, power on the laptop and force shutdown while it boots. Do this 3 times. After that, Windows should open automatic repair. Then go to Troubleshoot is greater than Advanced Options, is greater than Startup Settings, is greater than Restart. Now choose Safe Mode. If the laptop boots in Safe Mode, the problem is usually a bad driver or recent update. Step 5. Uninstall recent updates. From the recovery menu, go to Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then Uninstall Updates. Remove the latest Windows update. This is a common fix because a bad update or GPU driver can freeze Dell laptops at the logo. Step 6. Check BIOS settings. Finally, restart the laptop and press F2 repeatedly to enter BIOS. Look for Load Defaults, Restore Settings, or Reset to Default. Apply it, then save and exit. Wrong boot settings, secure boot problems, or boot order issues can stop Windows from loading fully. And that's about it. Hopefully this video helped you fix your Dell laptop stuck on the Dell logo. Like and subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching.